What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am Mike, aka Living with 3M Auto Vlogging, and today I have got another mod for you truck and car guys too. I mean, this mod here is something you do not see every day, so you want to stick around for this one. So I'm going to use our tailgate as our workbench or our display bench. All right, just got this in the mail from a company called Color Lugs. Okay, what are color lugs, you might ask? Well, everybody has this problem. I don't care if it's chrome, I don't care if they're painted, powder coated, they all rust and deteriorate and get scratched up. It's a mess. I mean, there's no way to keep them looking new. You buy brand new lugs, and as soon as you put the torque wrench on there, they're scratched. Let me take a lug off right here just so I can show you guys on the tailgate. This is gonna blow your mind. Okay, all right. So with my lug nuts on black wheels, all you can see really is this. So I could tell they're getting pretty scarred up, but look at that, guys. And these lugs are less than 2 years old. I'm just saying, that's absolutely insane. All right, so reached out to Color Lugs, and he said, man, I got the perfect thing that will help you out. Check this out. Absolutely amazing. It's a rubber cover for your lugs. All right, now when you contact them, you specify there's several sizes in diameter and length, so you specify to them, and also the color. Look at that, red. And I'm gonna show you, we're gonna put them on while the lugs are on the vehicle. So, and they sent me a pack here with different colors. Like, just say you've got some wild and crazy colors on your vehicle. You know, you can do green to accent whatever colors you want. I mean, we've got orange, yellow, green, black, red, white, blue, gray, and even pink for the ladies. All right, so one of my first questions was, once I shove that on there, if I'm on the side of the road and I have an emergency flat and I need, obviously you can't put a lug wrench on this and that's down inside the wheel. How am I going to get that out? Well, they thought of that, and they included a tool that actually goes in there with two little barbs on it right here. So this goes up on it just like that. You may have to bend these in just a little bit, just like that, on and off. They also sent me in the bag one of each of these other colors. All right, so there is pink, and I think that would look really cool on some Jeeps, stuff like that, especially for the ladies. Let's remove that one, and I'm gonna show you the green now. The green also looks killer on the Jeeps. Black wheels with that green, out of this world, especially if you've got green rock lights or green graphics. Seen some Jeeps with like the Monster Energy, stuff like that. Absolutely awesome. All right, let's try yellow. Yep, yellow. Give you a look at that. If you got yellow graphics or yellow paint scheme, anything like that, it goes well. Now here's orange. Yes, orange looks good. You know, Ford has the orange GT500. So that would look awesome on a set of black rims on a GT500. Also, I've seen some orange Dodges too. All right, we're gonna do the blue. Blue's a good safe bet. Really looks cool, especially got my Fox shocks up here. Looks good with that. And a real safe bet is a neutral gray. Gray looks really good. But the safest bet of all to clean up your lugs is gonna be the black. And I kid you not, I'm gonna get real close on this. I'm gonna show you. Absolutely amazing. Oh, fits right in there. Look at that, guys. You cannot beat that. I mean, I'm giving you a side-by-side with the factory or the lug that I had, not factory. But still, those are expensive lugs that were, I don't know if they were painted or powder coated. It doesn't matter. I've had both powder coated and painted, and they always end up like that. So I know your next question is going to be, yeah, but if I push those on there all the way and I have to have that wheel off, a torque wrench or a socket's not going to fit over that. Correct. And taking them off with your fingers is a challenge. That is why they provide this handy dandy puller tool. You just stick it in there, remove it just like that. Let's get down here, put these white ones on, see what we can make this look like. Oh yeah, man, looks like cookies and cream. Yeah, probably shouldn't say that. That's not the manliest thing to say. Looks like Stormtrooper. That's right. So y'all gonna have to help me out here. What colors? What colors to run? We got the white on there now. Y'all can see. But I'm just torn. Do I want to go white, red, orange, blue, gray, pink, green? I mean, he's got a ton of colors. Oh yeah, y'all reach out to him. It's Sharif Youssef of Color Lugs. He will hook you up for your ride, and he will get the most out of your custom wheels, I'm telling you. I mean, I know some guys do the spike lugs and stuff like that, and that's cool too, but this is just something totally different that will not rust. Eventually, those spike lug nuts, chrome, powder coated, painted, they will rust. These will never rust because they're rubber. You can clean them in the sink with Dawn dishwashing liquid. So help me decide, guys. Drop comments below. Tell me, what color would you run on yours? So I'm torn between really the white, the black, and the red. Those three right there. So, man, it's a tough decision, guys. Help me, help me. Y'all gonna have to tell me what's up. Tell me what you think. Black's always the safest bet, like I mentioned earlier. Man, that looks good. Probably just need some more white on there. I don't know. Well, it's Saturday morning and there is a Cars and Coffee that's fairly close to me. So I was gonna go check it out and see what they've got. know I love my truck. You know, I spend money, take pride in it. But whole nother level right here. All right, guys, links in the description below. Click on them, check them out, buy them, put them on yours.